Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So if you ever needed to dynamically convert exchange rates, perhaps from US dollar to South African rand, and you needed to keep an eye on maybe a budget or a list of items that you needed to buy, well, you can do that in Excel, and I'm going to show you how. So here's a basic budget sheet. The pricing comes off Amazon, and this is for a couple of IT parts, and all the pricing is in US dollars. So I now want to convert these prices dynamically to South African rand. So let's add a sheet. What you start with basically is where you want to convert from to where you want to convert to. So in this case, I'm using the ISO currency conversion formula. So we want to convert from US dollar to South African rand. So USD/ZAR. Right. So the first thing I do is, it's easier if you just convert this to a table. So I'm just going to hit insert, hit the table button and say create table. Then I'm going to highlight that column, click on data and then click on currencies. So now this dynamically is going to tell Excel that this is a currency field, and it also understands that I have now used the currency code US dollar and South African rand. So you see it brings up a little icon that I can click to add columns. So what I'm looking for is, I'm looking for the current price. And I'm also looking for what the last trade time is for, how old is this data. Let's make that a little bit bigger. So here I can see $1 is worth 14 Rand 93. So here we can also add other currencies. Let's say Euro to South African Rand. So we know the ISO code for euros is EUR/ZAR. We highlight that field, click currency. There we go. €1 is worth 17 Rand and 27 cents. So how do I use this in my budget sheet? Right, so we go back to the budget sheet. Now we obviously know that we want to convert this column, which is in US dollars, into this column, which will be our rand. So first, maybe let's bring that value across. So let's say, what's the exchange rate? The exchange rate, in this case, we're going to hit equals. We'll go to our sheet. We highlight the 14.92 and hit enter. So now we know the exchange rate is 14 Rand and 92 cents. So we hit equals and we'll say, we'll take that value times that value. And we'll see that that GPU is a little over 40,000 Rand. And that is its real price. So I can drag these down and we run into a little issue. That's because of absolute values. So the best is, go back to the original value that we wanted to copy, highlight it. I'm highlighting D3 because that's my reference column for the exchange rate, and I press F4. So when I press F4, it puts a little $D, $3 in that formula, and what that means is if I use that formula everywhere else, it will always reference the absolute formula, which is D3. So you can just hit enter, and I can copy all of those down. So now every formula will use the appropriate value in column C times column D3. So pretty easy. I didn't know that you can do this in Excel, and that's what I wanted to share with you today. I will leave a link to the Excel spreadsheet in the description below if you'd like to download it and have a look for yourself. I'll also leave a link to the original Microsoft article that explains how this can be done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like my content, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Cheers.